Hey, hey, hey! Welcome to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today is my very first full-length video on my new channel, and I'm excited to be a part of a laundry collaboration. Let me go ahead and get all this laundry sorted out. We went camping over the weekend, and I've got so much laundry that I need to get done, and it's also change of season here in Indiana, so it's time to get some blankets washed up, put the summer stuff away, and get our heavy blankets out. First load is started, and now I'm going to load my blankets into the back of my car, and we're going to head out to the laundromat to get these big items washed up. I have been putting this task off for so long. These blankets have been laying around to go to the laundromat forever. I'm embarrassed to admit, but finally, I'm done. Now that I'm back from the laundromat, I have to keep my laundry moving or I'm never going to get done. While we're folding up this laundry, I thought it would be a great time for me to talk to you about today's collaboration. This laundry collaboration is hosted by my two good friends, Charmaine Rosalie and Stay at Home Mom Life with Becky. I will have both of their channels listed below in the description box, as well as a playlist of wonderful YouTube creators who have put together some laundry motivation for you as well. As far as Charmaine and Becky's channel, you will love their channel if you're looking for cleaning motivation, decluttering, organizing, or just general laundry motivation like today's video. Be sure to check out their channel as well as the playlist. Putting clothes away to me is the absolute worst part of doing laundry. For those of you that don't know me, I am married and I have one son. My son is grown and he's out of the house, living his own life, and we're missing him like crazy. So my husband and I are empty nesters. We have a system to where I will wash all of his clothes, I will dry them, and I will lay them out on the side of the bed. He's grown. I don't have any more children that I need to take care of, so he puts his own laundry away. I leave them there, and did you notice that I put them on our bed so that all of our clothes have to be put away before we go to bed? If not, if I leave clothes in a basket, they're going to be there forever. So tell me, guys, what do you guys do? Do you put your clothes right away? Do you put them in a basket? How do you handle your clothing routine once they come out of the dryer? Now that I'm curious about how laundry works in your house, do you guys do laundry daily? Do you do laundry weekly? Do you do laundry when the basket's full? What is your laundry routine? At my house, I typically do laundry once a week. It is the next morning and I had one more load that I needed to finish. So after this one's done, I am officially done with the laundry for the week. I have a good friend there helping me with my laundry today. That's Allie, my kitty cat. She is busybody and she loves to help. I think she really likes to play, but she definitely keeps things interesting around our house. That's going to do it for today's video. Be sure to check out Becky and Charmaine's channel as well as the playlist for tons of laundry motivation. And don't forget, Jesus loves you. I'll see y'all in the next one.